Hey guys, Richie here. Um, Today we're starting um. Hey Jonathan, what's the date? Jonathan, what's today's date?
The 29th.
All right. Saturday 29th, 2017. In December. We are in a trucking, we're in a truck company place. My dad is, got a new job, being a truck driver. And, for now he's doing class. He's just taking his final test. Homework. And, this is one of his classrooms. Huge, is it?
Hey, look. Leave it alone. I put my name on it. No, don't do that. You can get in trouble. You can get daddy in trouble. Oh, okay. Erase it.
Johnny, come here. Get over here. What's wrong with you? My brother's writing his name on in front of a truck. If people see that, he's gonna get daddy in trouble and he'll get fired that way.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So for now, I'm Richard Serba. I'll see you guys next time.